Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some new affordable earbuds and headphones from Sony. First up, we got the Sony WF-C700N active noise canceling truly wireless earbuds. Original price, $119, on sale right now for $99. Then we got the Sony WH-CH720Ns over-the-air headphones with active noise cancellation. Original price, $149, on sale right now for $129. Let's recap. The earbuds on sale, $99. The headphones on sale, $129. Perfect for back-to-school shopping. Now I'll throw the links up in the description. Now this is going to be a two-part video. I'm going to try to make this as quick as I can, so let's get right into it. First up, we'll start off with the WF-C700Ns. Now for the rest of this video, we're going to call these the C700Ns. Like I said, on sale right now for $99. Now these come in three different colors. You got black, violet, and white. Let's go through the specs real quick. These are Bluetooth version 5.2. The codecs is SBC and AAC. Now these feature multi-point connection. That means you can pair two devices at the same time. Now these are IPX4 sweat and water resistant, perfect for the gym. You got 5mm drivers. That's going to give you excellent audio quality. These feature active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Now you got built-in mics for hands-free phone calls with wind noise reduction. The battery life on these is 7.5 hours on a single charge for a total of 15 hours using the charging case. Now if you turn off active noise cancellation, you're going to get up to 10 hours battery life. Now these also feature fast charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playtime. You got full touch controls. These feature DSEE to upscale your music. You got 360 reality audio compatible. And you got an app that's available for Android and iOS to let you customize your settings. All right, so all of that for on sale, $99. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my
White shoes. Calm down. Now, like I said, this is going to be a two-part video, so I'm not going to do my in-depth review. We're just going to show you all of the features, and I'll tell you how they sound. All right, so let's unbox it. A little unboxing knife. Here we go. Okay, these are the C700Ns. Like I said, on sale for $99. Okay, now this is your environmental packing. I like that. Let's see what you get inside. Now, these are going to be your earbuds. Okay, here's the charging case. Nice and lightweight. Bang. Okay, let's see what else you get. Okay, you got all of the books. Charging cable. Okay, this is USB-A, the USB Type-C. All right, shoes, inspect that for quality. And you got some different size ear tips. Okay, Sony C700Ns. All right, so next up, we got the Sony WH-CH720Ns. Now, like I said, the original price, $149, on sale for $129. Now, these are Sony's lightest over-the-air wireless headphones with active noise cancellation yet. Let's go through the features real quick. These are Bluetooth version 5.2. The codecs is SBC and AAC. Now, these also feature multi-point connection. That means you can pair two devices at the same time. Now, these come in two different colors, black and white. You got 30mm dynamic drivers with the integrated V1 processor. That's going to give you amazing sound quality. Now, these feature active noise cancellation and transparency mode. You got built-in mics for hands-free phone calls with wind noise reduction. The battery life on these is 35 hours on a single charge. Now, that's with active noise cancellation turned on. If you turn off ANC, you're going to get up to 50 hours battery. Now, these also feature fast charge, so 3 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playtime. Now, you got your physical touch controls. These also support DSEE for upscaling your music and 360 reality audio. Now, you got an app that's available for Android and iOS. Let you customize all of your settings. Okay, here we go. The 720Ns, the lightest over-the-air headphones yet. Let's pop these open. Okay. Sony branding on the box. Real nice. Here we go. Now, this is the environmental friendly packaging. I like that. No plastic. Super lightweight. Wow. These are 192 grams. Like I said, the lightest over-the-air headphones with active noise cancellation from Sony yet. Okay, extra comfortable. Now, you do get USB-A the USB Type-C charging cable, shoes, inspect that for quality. You got your gold-tipped 3.5 cable. And, of course, usual books. Okay, so these are the 720s. Now, for the C700s, the case is extremely lightweight. Got a little Sony branding, matte feel on this, no fingerprints. You got your Bluetooth pairing button, USB Type-C charging slot. And when you open and close these, has a nice little snap. Let's check the magnet strength. Minimum shakage, no movement. Intermediate shakage, no movement. Maximum shakage, no movement. Excellent strength. Let's take a look at the actual earbuds. Okay. Ergonomically designed to fit the shape of your ears. Okay, you got right and left branded on the inside. Beautiful. Classic Sony earbuds. Drop them back in the case. Just like that. Now for the 720Ns, the lightest over-the-ear headphones with active noise cancellation from Sony yet. Nice padding on the headband. Let's do the stretch test. Okay, these will fit any size head. Look at these nice soft ear cups. The headphones don't fold, but they do swivel. Here's all your buttons. So you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, answer and end phone calls, volume up and down. That's your active noise cancellation and ambient sound mode button. On this side, you got your Bluetooth pairing button, USB Type-C charging slot, and your 3.5 input. Now, for the pairing process, both of these feature Google Fast Pair. So if you got an Android phone, all you have to do is power up the headphones or the earbuds, and you're going to get the prompt. Now, if you got an iOS device, you're just going to go to your Bluetooth menu and select the headphones or the earbuds. Let me show you how Google Fast Pair works. Now, I'm going to power up the headphones. The Bluetooth pairing button is also your power button. And there it is, your Google Fast Pair prompt. Let's power these off. Okay, exit out of that. Now with the headphones, just open them up, take them out of the case, and you're going to get your Google Fast Pair prompt. Just that simple. Now, once you pair up your product, you're going to download the Sony Headphones app. Now, this works the same for the earbuds and on the headphones. So it's going to show you the name of your product, your current Bluetooth codecs, a picture of your product, the battery percentage for the left, the right, and the charging case, or just the headphones. Now, you got a few different tabs. You got adaptive sound control. Now, if you turn this on, it's going to automatically change your ambient sound settings based on your location. That's a nice little feature right there. Now, these both feature multi-point connection. So right now, I'm connected to one device. You got your sound tab. Okay, so you got active noise cancellation, 20 different levels of ambient sound with voice pass-through, or you can turn it off. Now, you got a fully functional EQ with a bunch of different presets, or you can manually customize them. Now, you got 360 reality audio. You got Find Your EQ. That's a beta program. You can prioritize your Bluetooth connection or sound quality. And you got DSEE to upscale your music. Now, with the earbuds, you can also customize your buttons. And you got your automatic power on and off. Now, with the headphones, you can't customize the buttons. But other than that, both of these apps work the same. All right, so now let's talk about the look, the fit, and the feel. We'll start off with the earbuds. Extremely small and lightweight. And these are actually not touch capacitive buttons. They got a physical press. Nice little clicky feel. I like that. Now I'm going to drop these in my ears. Super comfortable. A nice tight snug fit. Matter of fact, let's do the head shake test. I'll start off with minimum shakage. No movement. Intermediate shakage. No movement. Maximum shakage. Yeah. Okay, now I shook so hard, my glasses fell off, but the earbuds did not move. Let me show you how they can look in your ears. Okay, just like that. Nice and discreet. Now for the headphones, let's slap these on. Again, super lightweight. These might be the lightest headphones that I got. My ears are fully engulfed in these headphones. Let me show you how they're gonna look when you're wearing them. Okay, you see my whole ear is in that ear cup. I'm feeling these. All right, so let's do a quick sound test. All right, so this is not going to be my usual sound test. I'm not going to be singing today because I actually want to hear these. I'm going to start off with maximum volume, the EQ set to stock, and noise cancellation turned on. All right, here we go. We're going to try the earbuds first. One tap for play and pause. Let's get it on. Okay, so I got Future and Drake. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. Presidential Rolly RM. Okay. All right, let me not sing. All right, here we go. Okay, let's take it to sound. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, these sound good. All right, let's try something different, EQ. Okay, I like bright. Now, excited is usually my favorite. Oh, yes, this is the one right here. Man, leave me alone. Got to we don't. What forget? Tell me more. Nah, this is my song right here. All right, hold up. Okay, hold up. Yeah, okay. All right. All right, let's hit pause. Okay. Now, if you ever heard Sony headphones or earbuds, you know the sound signature is very bright, especially with the bright EQ settings. Ladies and gentlemen, for $100, these are a win. Okay, now I was trying not to sing, but it just brings it out of me. Let's put these to the side. Let's try out the headphones. Now I'm gonna use the same exact song. Okay, here we go. Let's hit play on the music. Okay, maximum volume. The EQ is off. Noise cancellation on. Okay, presidential rolling. All right, hold on. There we go. This is the song right here. All right, here we go. My demons. Oh, these sound good too. All right, let's try. This is my favorite EQ. Hold on, here we go. Oh, this sounds good. Now let's see for these. I might need to do let's do my custom. Let's see. All right, manual. We'll do a manual EQ. Oh, yes. That's what I needed. More treble. More bass. Okay, let's see. Let's move this one up a little bit. Like this. Ooh. Okay, yeah, this is the one right here. Yeah, okay. All right, let me hit pause on these. All right, yeah, hold up. Let me hit pause on the headphones. Now, you do have your controls right here. You see play and pause? Bro, these are super loud. But the thing that's blowing me away about these, the build quality. Super lightweight. Now, if you're looking for headphones that you got to wear all day long, you're going to want something that's plastic and lightweight like these. The sound quality is A1. All right, so Sony been doing it big this year. This is another home run. All right, so I'm going to briefly run through my usual testing. First, let's check for multi-point connection. Can you pair two devices at the same time? If you notice, you see I'm connected to my Galaxy Z Fold 5 and my Nothing phone right now. So if I hit play on the music, you hear it coming out of the earbuds. Pause it. Now if I hit play on this one, you hear the music playing. So multi-point connection works perfectly. Now multi-point connection works on the earbuds and on the headphones. So see, now we got the headphones. I'm connected to my Galaxy Fold and my iPhone. So let's play on the music. There it is. And play from the Galaxy. There it is. Multi-point connection. Now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's find out. So I'm going to hit play on the music. Okay. Now I'm going to take out the left side, drop it in the case, close it up. The right side is still playing. Now let's put the left side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. There it is. Now I'm going to put the right side in, close it up. The left side is still playing. So this is pretty dope. You can use either earbud independently, basically doubling your battery life. All right, so for the earbuds, let's check the touch controls. Now on a side note, these are fully customizable, but here's how I got mine set up. So for the right side, one tap for play and pause. That'll also answer and end phone calls. Double tap to skip to the next song. Okay. Triple tap to go to the previous track. Okay. Long press for voice assistant. What's the weather for today? Okay. and repeated press for volume up. You see the volume going up? Now for the left earbud, repeated press for volume down. See the volume going down? And a single press will cycle between active noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. So all of the touch controls work. And again, these are physical buttons. I like that. Now for the headphones, you got big juicy touch controls that are easy to press. So this is your multifunctional button. One tap for play and pause. That'll also answer and end phone calls. Okay. Double tap to go to the next song. Triple tap to go to the previous track. You got volume up and down. Long press for your voice assistant. What's the weather for today?
It'll be partly cloudy there today.
And of course, active noise cancellation and transparency mode. All of the buttons are easy to reach. Alright, so I want to speed this video up. So let me tell y'all about the testing that I did off camera. First, I did the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you power them off? Both of them around 3 Mississippis. Excellent reconnection speed. Next, I did the range test. I walked all the way to 30 feet. No drop connections at all. Next, I checked for latency. I watched some YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime. No lip sync delay at all. Next, I checked the call quality. I called Amaya from both of these products. I heard her perfectly fine. She heard me perfectly fine. I did the wind test. I would say both of these have pretty good call quality. And lastly, active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Now, both of these have excellent transparency mode. And as far as active noise cancellation, y'all know I got 3 tiers. We got trash tier, okay tier, and top tier. I would rank both of these as low tier, top tier. A little bit above okay tier. Now, of course, if you want the maximum noise cancellation for earbuds, you got to get the Sony M5s. And the same thing with the headphones. But these are more affordable products. But I would say the active noise cancellation is pretty good. Let's wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Sony WF-C700Ns and the Sony WH-CH720Ns a major go. And for $99 and $129, as the legendary Bob Barker would say, the price is right. If you're looking for some quality, affordable earbuds or headphones with active noise cancellation that sound great, have all of the features that you want, and not going to break your pockets, y'all need to check these out. And don't forget to take advantage of these sales. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on VoxUp. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, man. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.